That frustrating moment when PayPal blocks your transfer is about to be solved. First, check your PayPal balance. You can only transfer money that's actually available, not funds that are still pending from a sale or a bank deposit. Next, verify your account status. An unverified account often has sending and receiving limits. Head to your wallet link and confirm your bank account or debit card to lift these restrictions. Now let's look at your recipient. Ensure you've entered the correct email address or phone number for the person you're sending to. A single typo is all it takes to halt the entire process. If those steps don't work, the issue might be on the recipient's side. Their account could be limited or unable to accept the type of payment you're sending, so it's worth checking in with them. Finally, clear your browser's cache and cookies if you're on a computer, or try closing and reopening the PayPal app on your phone. This simple refresh can resolve many temporary glitches. For persistent problems, contact PayPal support directly through the app's help section. They can provide specific details about any holds on your account. Follow these steps to get your money moving again.